Welcome back. Welcome back. Hope you're having a good day. Figure I'd show my appreciation. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Even if you don't understand. You know how lucky we are? And all these things that happened in the last 5 to 10 years, you're still here. All those other people didn't make it. Pat yourself on the back. A lot of people didn't make it. But you did. So you gotta count for something. Some of us we watched all of this change. Remember? Remember walking down the street look up instead of down. Remember people used to care. So I've been thinking. About this thing called love. And how we look at it the wrong way. We look at it as what people do for us. Which makes us have to become so much. People want to live the way they want to live. Yet there's many ways, I believe, to go about certain things. Now I know for a fact people always didn't think the way they do. Maybe if we worry about more of what we can give, less than what we're getting, maybe people would choose better. Because you already know how much you have to give. You know what you do or don't do. Some of us, I could be wrong. But the more and more I keep seeing people rely on I guess the way things are supposed to be instead of the way things are. Everyone's trying to go back. Even myself. sound the horns. I think that's what Kevin Samuels kept saying and trying to get through everyone's head. We're all free to choose. And the results of your life should show you what you should be choosing. Because you either get it or you don't. You know? And then life goes on. I think that's why he tried to get everybody to the reality check, especially the women, of what do you look like, what do you like, not what do you have, not what are you going to put on. Can a man be around you for long periods of time and actually want to be there? Can you make a man do that? Because that's your job. Just as it is for a man to want to be interesting, you know? Like, she's not going to want to be there for no reason. There's always these things. And then there's the reality of the world and the things that are going on. A lot of people are worrying about love. And you should be worrying about provision, safety, unity. Because it makes things easier. Sometimes, when you unify with people, it's not because you're in love with them. It's because you just believe in the same thing. You can look different. You can have different whatever. But the overall goal is the same. You know? I think people need to research things like that. How people in the old ancient days settled disputes and settled catastrophes. See, that's what makes choices easier. Because my father said there's nothing new under the sun. So, to me that means if there's a way to adjust your lifestyle to the life that's actually going on, then you should do it. Because people before you have done it. And if you don't, you know, you chase what you chase. You do what you do. We're all guaranteed free will and a responsibility of bearing those choices. Once was told you can put anybody together in the right situation and with understanding. Anyone could fall in love due to the fact of having to face reality. Like, you know, you just throw two people on an island they could be mortal enemies. But once they realize it's just you two, how long are they gonna keep arguing with each other about who's right and who's wrong? You know, if one kills the other, well, argument over. You won. Now you can die alone. Who knows what the other guy knew? He could have helped you live longer. Maybe escape the island. See, life and situations change things. My father, and he will show people who you really are. Now, some of us are lucky enough to, change. We're not on an island. But when you start looking at it like that, you start realizing how many other people feel like they're on an island. How many people want to get away? It's a new day. Whether some people see it or not, it's a new day. It's our time now. Whether they like it or not. Why you mad? Why you mad? GMB, we up. Don't let them fool you. Time stood still when I saw you. Han vill, men kan inte sova. Hungern river hans varga buk. Och det är kallt i hans stova. Du varg, kom inte hit. Ungen min får du aldrig. Du varg, kom inte hit. Ungen min får du aldrig. Somebody's paying attention. It's time to make some choices. We all may not like them. That's why you make the hard choice. Time to start thinking about the future and taking a simple way to get there. You can keep fighting my father. Like women, all you do is fight against time. My father controls that, you know, he's the one that made it. We're all fighting time. Have you ever known anybody to beat it yet? Good luck. Godspeed. We're all gonna need it. The shit show just got started. So I suggest everybody stay emotionally stable. Don't let the heat trigger you. I don't think so many things are gonna be easy. So, you know, stay out of trouble. All love, all praise to the Most High.